So the Legal Practice Council has welcomed the Western Cape High Court decision to strike Zuko Nongcuba off the roll. He's accused of misappropriating hundreds of millions of rand meant for his clients with disabilities after successful medico-legal claims. The funds were meant to be deposited into trans funds for the children born with cerebral palsy due to negligence by the Health Department. The LPC says Nongcuba has been barred from practicing and the funds he defrauded will be distributed to beneficiaries. So the lead investigator in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, Brigadier Bongani Gininda, has told the Pretoria High Court that there are no bank transactions from Kelly Khumalo to the men accused of the soccer star's murder. Meyiwa was killed in an alleged hit that the state believes was ordered by his then-girlfriend Khumalo. Gininda, under cross-examination by the lawyer for accused number 4, told the court that the money was paid in cash. Accused number 4 Mthobisi Mncube and 4 others are on trial for the 2014 murder. And Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi has been following that story for us.
The existence of blood money paid for the life of a much-loved soccer star questioned.
Is there any chain of money from Miss Kelly Khumalo to the accused?
No, not electronically, my lord. There's no electronic evidence. In other words, money being transferred from her bank accounts to the...
What you are saying, Brigadier, in another way, from the bank records that you received from the respective banks, there was no evidence to suggest that there was any payment from Miss Kelly Khumalo into the respective account.
Indeed, I agree, my lord, but there was also not such assertions. As I'm saying, the payments that we are aware of were made in cash. As to how they got to the accused, who pay other accused, we don't have that chain of electronic transfer. The money was paid in cash.
Mthokoziseni Mapisa and his co-accused are fighting allegations that they were all hired to kill Senzo Meyiwa by his then-girlfriend Kelly Khumalo. And his lawyer asks, at what cost?
According to your investigations, Brigadier, how much was paid?
My lord, the amount that I can recall, for example, with accused number 2, he says he was given 15,000 first. That's accused number 2. Okay. Insofar, and you'll find it in Exhibit HA and JJ. And then subsequently, then he was given 30,000. So if you conclude that amount, it goes to 45,000. I think accused 1 also in his confession indicates the amount he received. I just don't know. I don't recall the exact numbers, my lord.
And who paid these amounts? Do you know?
My lord, it's clear. It's indicated in Exhibit JJ. Accused 2 indicates who gave him the money. The balance was given by accused number 5, the 30,000 to accused number 2.
And who was the source of this amount or the payment?
It was the accused, my lord, because I'm dealing with evidence. The accused paid the other accused. That's the evidence that we've got.
Gininda further taking questions about whether evidence indicates that Mapisa was paid.
So I want to mention in the statement of Sifiso Zungu that it does implicate the accused and said they acted, all of them, together in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. We know that accused 1 and 2 received money, and he says all of them, they told him when he was talking to the accused that they were involved in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. And we know these 2 were paid. And he says all of them were together. And he places them in the hostel that he saw them. He was there on that day. So logic, my lord, will dictate that if there's such assertion, how could it be when they say 5 acted in common purpose, they move together, this witness places them in the hostel, 2 will then get paid and 3 not get paid. It doesn't mention the amount, but he puts them together, and it is based on the private confession that was told to him by accused 2, my lord. And I think he make reference to accused 1 as well.
Gininda once again reiterated that the motive behind Kelly wanting Meyiwa dead is still under investigation. Kelly is not on trial in this matter, but Gininda says she is a person of interest. Cross-examination continues on Thursday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi.